This will be a short little video on formatting and conditional formatting. Nothing too fancy here. So first thing we're going to take a look at here is just some of your basic formatting. I know a lot of you, if you've used Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you're going to know a lot of this, but you guys know that up at the top bar here, anything you have selected, right? You can format it, bold, italic, font size, stuff like that. So I'm not going to go over that one. But some of the others that are important when we're doing our little tables here is stuff like prices. When you have prices up here, you can format it as money. How do you go back if you made a mistake? Well, you can choose more formats and you can see they're all here. And so we could go back to number if you wanted to, right? But I'll leave that one on as money. If we had a percent rating here, I'll just make a fake column here. And let's say I have some percents here. And you guys know normally percents are like a decimal, 40%, 90%, 20%, 10%. If you want to switch to percents, you can hit the percent symbol, right? And it shows it to you in percents. The spreadsheet is still considering it the number 0.5, 0.4, 0.90. It's just the way that it displays. Numbers, like the ratings. You can see here, let's add decimals. I always want the ratings to be one decimal, move the decimals over. Okay, so that can make certain numbers look better or a bit more detailed for you. Okay, so that's some of the basics. If you want to get a little title when you're doing this stuff here, you can do stuff like this. You can highlight all these cells and you can actually merge these cells together. Select all those cells and then you can go Format, Merge Cells, and let's merge horizontally. And you can see it's taken those cells and now it's just become a giant cell. And with that giant cell selected, you guys know you can do this stuff like here, the left, right, center, and you've got it in there. You want to change the font, just pump up the font, give it a little heading, so your stuff starts to look a little better when you do your presentation of your stuff. Another nice little one we can do here. You can actually highlight your little spreadsheet columns and rows there, and you can go to Format, and you can see here there's a popular one, alternating colors. This makes it easy for people to read your data, and you can choose different colors or styles. I won't bother going through here. It's pretty obvious, but you can see already this one starts to look a little better, easier to read, right, and follow the lines all the way across. If you want to add grids, you can highlight everything, and here you got your little grids, borders, select which one you want, turn the borders on. That's all we want to show you for the basic formatting. Now, the other formatting we wanted to show you was the conditional formatting. This one's good when you have numbers like somebody owes you money, it's really low, highlight the cell red. If it's a good value, highlight it green. Let me give you an example here on the rating column. Let's say I want bad ratings to be marked out and stand out so I can spot them easier. Let's take this cell right here. I'll just highlight them all. You can do one at a time or obviously do them all at once. And we go to Format and we go Conditional Formatting. Because you guys have your programming and you've probably done the other conditions lesson, this should be pretty easy. We hit Conditional Formatting and you'll see here, what do we want to do? Format rules for these cells. Well, let's just click that. And let's just take one that makes sense here. And let's say that if the rating is under 2, okay, or 2 or under, less than or equal to a value of 2, let's say I want the back color to be light red, so it stands out. And then click Done. And then you can see here that, well, if I had a rating of 4, that would be fine. But if I have a rating of 1, that's not good. If this guy gets a rating of 2, that's not good. So it changes. When you click on a cell, over here, you can see the conditional format rules. It lists it. And you can add more rules. Like I could add another rule. So to all these cells, I can make another rule. And I could say, let's say the rule is if it's greater than or equal to 5, let's leave it green. The light green there is good. Done. And so you can see now that cells get formatted by color, right? Sometimes useful, right? Especially with money, right? Low money, negative money, make it red. Positive values, make them green. Anyways, that's conditional formatting. You can have as many rules as you want added to a cell, and you can obviously change everything about the font in there that you want, right? Anyways, that's basically it for formatting and conditional formatting. There's no assignment for this one, but if on the in-person quiz you were asked to, make it so negative values show up red, or if the value is 0, make it show up red, you should be able to do a simple conditional formatting. So you can just practice that on any sheet you want, just to make sure you know where to go and how to do it.